What's going on, everyone? So in this video, we are continuing our module Introduction to Web Applications in HTB Academy, and we're going to work through the backend components section. We're actually going to complete all four of these guys. All four are really easy. The first three, you just need to Google it and look through the tutorial docs. And the last one is really the only one that you need a VM environment with. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and jump right in. So for backend servers, let's go ahead and scroll down. So the question is, what operating system is WAMP used with? So if you scroll up a little bit, you'll see in this table, you'll see WAMP, and then you'll see four components in here. And then you can quickly identify that Windows is the only operating system. Apache is a web server. MySQL is a database. And then PHP is a language used for web applications. And you can see that here. So Apache web server, PHP web application, and then MySQL database. So go ahead and put Windows in there, and we'll go to the next one. So for web servers, let's go ahead and scroll all the way down. And so it says if a web server returns an HTTP code 201, what does it stand for? You'll see that the answer is created, but to get that answer, you can just Google HTTP code 201. You can click the MDN web docs, and you can see from here that 201 is created. So that is the answer for the second one. And let's go ahead and go to the third one. So databases, we'll scroll all the way down. So it says what type of database is Google's Firebase database? So we'll go ahead and we'll just copy the name here, and we'll just throw that into the Google search. And then you're going to go ahead and click on the firebase.google.com URL. And then once that loads, you're going to see like the very first sentence is store and sync data with our NoSQL cloud database. So the answer is NoSQL. So there's the third one. So again, the first three, super easy. The fourth one is not bad at all either. So we'll scroll down. So it says use GET request to search for the name of the user with ID number 1. So to do this, go ahead and spawn your target system. And then once you're in your target system, there's actually two ways you can do this. The easiest way and the most straightforward way is just to go in your web browser and then type in the URL. So you're just going to go ahead and type in, for me, it's going to be 94.237.58.3:52274. And then I'm just going to copy in this parameter here and then paste that in. Now, be careful. So the question says to search for the name of the user with ID number 1, right? Don't forget number 1, because if you just copy and paste this in there without changing it to 1, it's not going to give you the answer. So if you don't put 1, I'll show you what happens if you hit enter. It says user does not exist. So we just got to switch that to 1, hit enter, and then you'll get your answer, super admin. And the other way to do this, let me go ahead and copy this URL. The other way to do it is just to open up a terminal, and we'll utilize the curl command for this. So if you do curl, and then you just paste in your URL, and you hit enter, you will get the same answer. So either way, however, which way you prefer, you'll get the answer. You'll get the same answer. So these exercises, pretty easy. We completed the backend component section. So I hope you guys found this video really helpful and useful. And if you did, please like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll talk to you guys later.